All right, we have here a Jazzy 600 power chair. This power chair was used for about a year. So it has a year's usage. It has about 315 hours, which is about a year's usage. Client of mine had this chair, but we gave him a high-end chair and we got this one back in trade. So I know it comes from a good home, and inside use, as you can see, I mean, it looks new, but it is an older model from 5-6 years ago. But if you're looking for a good power chair, you want something solid that'll last you 5-7 years, this is called a Jazzy 600. Great power chair, good motors, 6 wheels on the ground at all times. This one comes with a captain seat, so you can see how you can flip the seat all the way down. And the high point would be about 32 inches right here. 32 inches would be the high point. And you can go as far back as here with the seat. And this would be driving position here. The arms do flip up. They also go out and they also go up, okay? The seat on this power chair is 18 by 18, okay? It's a captain seat, 18 by 18. We're keeping this seat on here. So this chair is set up for a medium-sized person, okay? 18 by 18 seat. You have a foot plate that my client added some non-skid tape on it. This is why you see the yellow line and the non-skid tape, which is really nice. If you use it at nighttime or if you have sneakers, your foot won't slide off. The foot plate is adjustable up and down, okay? You can also put it up like this when you exit the chair. And if you want the foot plate closer to the front, the whole foot plate can be moved forward towards the front of the chair, okay? If you need to replace the batteries in this chair, very simple. There's a pin in the bottom here you pull out. You grab the front like this, and you can see the pin right here I pulled out. There's your 2 batteries in here, okay? So when you take the batteries out, they come out this way. You just pull the whole tray out and you have 2 batteries. So when you put this back on, it goes in like this. It's that simple. You put the pin back in just in case the foot plate goes up on you. You have a reset button right here where my finger is, okay? Also with this chair has what's called active track suspension. What that means, if I lift this front wheel, you'll see the motor here. You see the suspension on it? The motor is tied to the front suspension, okay? It's 6 wheels on the ground, so it turns really good, so you can see how well it turns. These are solid tires, 14-inch solid tires. They're not going to mark your floor. Let me turn it this way. I'm not used to doing it on the left side. So you have a motor for each wheel. Okay, I'm going to turn that wheel. We got a motor for each wheel. So if I want to push this chair, I would just turn the power off so there's no resistance in the motor. You see the lever? You have one on both sides. Push it down, and now you're in neutral. You have to do both motors, okay? You have a safety belt, as you can see. You have a pouch to keep your owner's manual or your charger. When you're done rolling the chair, always put it back in gear when you're done. Then turn your power back on. If you're left-handed, we can switch the joystick to the left side with no problem, okay? If you need a swing-away joystick, we can add that to the chair, just let us know. When you charge the batteries on this chair, you'll take the charger that comes with your chair. I'm going to use this one for example. This may not be the charger, but I'm going to use this one because they all work anyway. Charger plugs right here below the joystick, and as soon as the light goes to green, from orange to green, the charger will stop charging. These are smart chargers. They know when to stop charging. So let's recap. This is a Jazzy 600 power chair, blue in color, 6 wheels on the ground, original tires on here. You can see the tread is almost all there. 18 by 18 captain seat, flip up arms. You have a safety belt, flip up foot plate, suspension, just a good basic power chair. So if you need a backup chair or you need a main chair, this chair still has many, many years to go. So this is the Jazzy 600 power chair, 6 wheels on the ground. Top speed is about 6 miles an hour. As you can see, it has electromagnetic brakes. It stops automatically when you stop. So this chair has a top speed of 6 miles an hour. This is the one that was used for about a year. It came back from one of my clients. Beautiful blue color. It's an older model, but it runs like a brand new chair. Again, this is the one, the seat is 18 by 18. The total width is about 24 inches. Just a nice power chair.